Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder, where we explore AI tools that actually improve your workflow. Before diving into features, let me show you the final result. This admin dashboard now has dark mode and better backend performance. No manual debugging, no prompt copy-pasting, and no switching tools. Everything was done inside Verdent. Now let's rewind. I started with a real production admin dashboard built with React, Tailwind, and a Node.js backend. Inside Verdent Workspace, I adjusted the task settings and let Verdent plan everything before writing a single line of code. From planning and execution to iteration and validation, the entire creation loop happens within this unified workspace. There's no need to copy and paste prompts, and no context is ever lost. This is what makes Verdent smoother and more efficient compared to other tools. In this video, I'll show you how Verdent handles a real-world development task from start to finish. Let's get into it. Verdent has 4 plans, including a free 7-day trial with 100 credits. Paid plans start at $19 per month for Starter, $59 per month for Pro, and $179 per month for Max. All include access to Claude Sonnet, Opus 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro, and GPT-5 with Codex, plus bonus credits to maximize value. The desktop app opens with a clean and minimal interface that feels clearly designed for developers. The main screen lets you enter a task prompt, select a project, and optionally add an image for extra context. You can also choose how deeply Verdent should reason through the task, with options ranging from no reasoning to maximum reasoning for complex changes. Plan mode is one of Verdent's most important features. Before making any changes, Verdent asks clarifying questions to fully understand your goal. Once it understands the task, it creates a clear plan before touching the code. This approach greatly reduces errors and makes complex edits much safer. Verdent allows you to switch between different models depending on the task. Sonnet is fast and creative, Haiku is more structured and precise, and GPT-5 is designed for serious production-level development. Being able to choose the right model for the job adds a lot of flexibility. Verdent gives you control over how code changes are applied. In Workspace mode, it creates a separate branch so you can review changes, roll them back if needed, and merge safely. For smaller tasks, you can apply changes directly to the project folder, which is faster but less protected. One of Verdent's biggest strengths is its multi-agent system. You can run multiple agents at the same time, assign them different tasks, and monitor their progress in real time. This makes it easy to work on several parts of a project without losing context or focus. To properly test Verdent, I used a real admin dashboard built with React, Tailwind, and a Node.js backend. The task was to add dark mode, build a searchable user table, and optimize API calls. Verdent handled everything in a single workflow. It planned the UI updates, modified the React components, added a global theme context, optimized backend pagination, and validated each step automatically. While the task was running, the live status view showed exactly what Verdent was changing in real time. You could see component updates, API logic improvements, and state management changes as they happened. The final result was excellent. Dark mode worked perfectly, the user table was fully searchable, and overall load times improved, all without any manual debugging. Diff Lens is a feature that saves a huge amount of review time. It automatically analyzes code diffs and clearly explains what changed and why. You can jump straight to modified lines, which makes reviewing large updates much faster and less stressful. Verdent also includes built-in AI code reviews. It checks for security issues, reviews code quality, and suggests best practices. It can even commit changes directly to Git, making it feel more like a development partner than a simple assistant. Managing projects in Verdent is straightforward and professional. You get multi-tab organization, a clean sidebar for tasks, and support for agents.md to define project rules. Advanced options let you configure scripts, permissions, proxies, and auto-reviews, making it well-suited for serious development teams. The VS Code extension shares the same subscription and is designed for daily coding. It supports sub-agents for custom contexts and can run Claude, GPT-5, or Gemini 3 Pro. While it doesn't include full multi-agent orchestration, it's perfect for focused coding sessions and pair programming. After extensive testing, Verdent stand out one of the most capable AI agent available right now. It's especially strong for medium to large codebases where planning and structure really matter. Features like plan mode and diff lens genuinely feel like working with a skilled teammate, not just an AI tool. Verdent is a strong choice for developers who want production-ready code, clean workflows, and AI-powered reviews that save real time. The free trial makes it easy to explore, and once you experience the workflow, it's hard to go back. That's it for today's deep dive into Verdent AI. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to AI Finder, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.